What are we doing?
Christmas shopping.
No, we're not doing Christmas shopping.
We're not Christmas shopping.
We're moving. This is a moving vlog. We just got a little distracted in the Christmas section of Walmart. We actually do have the majority of the stuff we need for our apartment, but let me just give you guys a little quick intro here. I'm moving, yay, and I'm vlogging it. And this is my future roommate.
Wait, I'm writing my name though.
She's writing her name on a pillow because we are not capable of doing any shopping without being distracted. Show the people your work. Bree! I call her Brianna, but she's Bree. And she's gonna be my roommate, and she's my coworker, and we're gonna be moving together to a new city. Moving in 2 weeks?
Next week.
Next week we're moving.
Shows how much you pay attention.
Yeah, I don't pay much attention, sorry. So yeah, we're just buying some last minute stuff, yay!
I think we should get all of these pillows.
I actually honestly do think we should get this pillow though, because I think it's pretty good. Did you find
this for the living room because this is you, and I don't want you to mess up our new couch.
Is this a dog thing?
Yeah, look. And it
Okay.
tears
Here,
like
just
you.
look at this pillow.
Oh my god.
Not really feeling any of these clocks.
They're all different times.
Yeah, because you just set them. Oh man, you got a lot to learn. I don't actually, oh I'm so sorry. Okay, I think this one's really nice. I don't think you're gonna get a good quality one for less than 20 bucks though. I think this one's nice.
Yeah, but it's huge.
It's twin sized.
Yeah, but for a couch.
Turns out our biggest struggle is trying to find a blanket that we can use in our living room. Oh. Oh. Getting distracted again.
Smells so good.
This is what I have to deal with.
If only you guys could smell this.
Oh my god, that smells so strong. Just get tied. I
like
think.
the pods. The pods are honestly my favorite.
To eat?
No.
Delicious.
I don't eat Tide Pods. Yeah, it's like Tide Pods.
I don't know how I feel about this game scent.
I love games. It's my go-to.
Is this a sponsored video?
Yeah, I'm sponsored by
Hashtag
games.
sponsored by Gain. This is all we're getting. So, what do we have? Alright, we got a pillow.
Should we get this pillow here?
I like the pillow.
Okay, fine. We'll get the pillow.
If you don't like the pillow, I'll put it on my bed.
True.
We
Alright.
have a vacuum.
Toilet paper.
TP.
Because Kelly goes a lot.
I pee a lot. That's a fun fact. We have a tree skirt,
Tree skirt, doormat.
doormat, Clorox wipes.
To kill all
Because
of
I'm
our
also a
germs.
germaphobe.
Germs.
Or joims. On to our next stop of the day. Where are we now?
Ikea.
Yee! We have to get to meatballs! The meatballs!
That's what I'm eating.
This is, look at all the spots over here. Why'd you make us park so far?
Because people don't know how to drive.
Oh my god, I hate you. It's so cold.
I don't know. What if you fall?
There's nothing scary about escalators. But you know what is scary? Eels. Meatballs. Oh, I love IKEA meatballs. Oh, here's your garlic bread. Oh yeah. The cinnamon rolls are disappointing today, I gotta say. But the meatballs,
The view is great.
such a nice.
Talking about me.
Oh. You're talking about the view to the parking deck. Come here, my wife.
Oh my god.
Again, disclosure, we are not dating.
Yeah, we're not.
We're just married. There's
Look,
even
see,
like a
this
little portrait of us. That's me and you.
That's us on our honeymoon.
Yeah, that was our honeymoon, yeah, when we got married.
Come on, I gotta blow dry my hair.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go shower. So
Alright.
just
See you later.
shower in here. Just kidding. Okay, let's go look at the coffee tables first. I think this is a nice table. It's really sturdy.
It is nice.
And it's only $130.
And it comes with this bowl.
Oh my god, we could buy little cushions. No, you don't take it. You just take a picture of it. You take a picture of it.
Well, let me see what this comes with. You don't know who's right on that.
What? Oh god, you're right. I need a whisk actually. What kind of whisk are you willing to take?
Okay.
To live with me.
With your dad joke. This is what it's gonna be like living with you.
I'm fun to live with.
I'm gonna like come home and we're gonna have like 10 dogs on the floor.
Yep.
And she's gonna be like, I
I'll
didn't know where
always
these
meet
came
my
from.
quota.
You can't take her anyway.
You really can't. Oh jeez, I'm stuck. Wait. Okay.
Move this closer.
Okay. I just wanted to point out that this is an impulse buy. Oh, I missed it. I'm sorry. Do it again.
Yeah, definitely. Those are the $10 she was gonna bring home.
Woof woof. I'm sad they don't have the table we need.
That is so ugly.
I'm actually really sad though because we found out that the table that we wanted
Got
discontinued. I don't think Brianna's gonna go for it. Okay, well,
Wait, I have my...
there you have it, folks. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the Christmas expert.
Yeah, apparently I'm a Christmas expert.
She's a Christmas expert, so she's gonna decorate the whole place. Why does it always rain every time I go to Ikea? We're going into a Christmas tree shops. I don't even know what's here. Look at this little thing. Boop. Oh, look at this squirrel. Boop, boop. Beep, beep, beep. Oh my god, I love all of these things. Yes.
$13 and it comes with 2 of these.
Okay, are we putting them over the windows?
We can do it.
All right, do it.
No.
This. Kind of like more abstract stuff though. I don't know about you.
I don't know anything about art.
Look, they have
That abstract?
what? That's absolutely not abstract.
I don't know what abstract.
This is abstract of here. This one's abstract. Oh my god, look at this one with the little stars on it. Or this one. Feel how soft this one is. Doop. Oh, sorry. That one's soft. I like it. Do you like it?
Look at the one behind it, Kelly.
Oh my god, yes. Oh, yes. This totally matches.
Are we getting it?
I think we should, shouldn't we? Hanukkah's already going to be like more than halfway over by the time we move in. But we should get some Hanukkah stuff too.
Kelly, what you buying?
Hanukkah stuff, yay! I just feel like this is the only place we're going to find Hanukkah stuff. So these cookies are the best cookies of all time. Honestly, maybe we should get 2 of these. So I'm packing up the apartment now. It's Tuesday. I'm moving on Thursday. Everything's kind of in disarray, but I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of what's going on. So since I'm moving locally, I'm not really packing anything like crazy. I'm just kind of throwing stuff in random boxes, and it's only like a 45-minute drive away, so I'm not too concerned, but I'll just show you guys kind of what I'm doing. So this is basically all my clothes right now. I know everything's crazy. I haven't even touched this area. Good morning, guys. Today's moving day. I'm anticipating a long day. So I have most of my stuff packed. I still haven't entirely packed. And everything's like in garbage bags, which is kind of embarrassing, but I'm not moving very far and I didn't think it was worth buying boxes. I'm gonna drive some stuff to the new place, and then me and my boyfriend are gonna come back here in a U-Haul, and I'm probably not gonna show you guys much of that because he's not ready to be on camera yet, which I'm okay with. Then I'll show you guys the new place. I'm at my new apartment. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got here. Obviously have not moved in yet, but I just walked in. This is what the beautiful empty apartment looks like. That's Brianna's room and her bathroom. And then this is my room. So this is what it looks like. Got a nice view of another building. Got some closets. And then here's my bathroom. Yay, I have my own bathroom. Yes, I'm still wearing my pajamas. You want to be quiet because I'm going to make a quick little thing. You're welcome to be in it if you want. All right, so we're in the U-Haul. We didn't get a big enough one. That's my fault. So we have to make 2 trips. So it's only like 5 o'clock right now. It's just that it's going to take... Oh my God, there's another exit over here. We're on trip number 2 to get the rest of my stuff. It is currently 8 o'clock. Moving is hard. Look who I found!
Toilet brush cleaner.
It's 12:55. Do you have a text on there? Excuse how bad I look because I've been doing this since, I woke up at 7 this morning. You guys want to see this mess?
Oh, it's so bad.
It's bad. Well, this is all the furniture I've got in here so far.
This way.
This is just all my stuff.
And literally none of my stuff.
And here's my bed.
Kelly's keeping the bed here. This is our dining room table.
Yeah, we're gonna be dining on the bed. Update
Maybe tomorrow. It is technically tomorrow.
Update
in 24 hours.
Update in 24 hours or less.
Yeah.
Hey. What's up, guys? I look bad. We didn't update you yesterday at all.
I interrupted you.
We didn't update you guys yesterday at all, but Brianna moved in. Yay!
I'm here and not going anywhere.
And so we're gonna start unpacking stuff. Currently, this is what everything looks like. Do you guys think we have enough containers for food? Because I'm thinking we could use some more. Okay, so it's been a few days. I have not picked up the camera because we've been unpacking and whatnot, but I'm gonna end the vlog tonight. We'll give you guys, here's Brianna, going
All
through.
we've been doing is eating hummus.
That's not true at all. I made her a beautiful dinner and she won't even eat it. I made some vegan bolognese, pasta, had some nutritional yeast.
But we have hummus and pretzels.
Oh yeah, that's more important. Okay, so, quick tour of the apartment. You wanna join me?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, quick tour of the apartment.
Here's our lovely dining room.
Here's our dining set.
This is where we eat all of our meals.
Yeah, we just sit on the boxes. We still haven't bought the dining room set, but we're gonna do that tonight, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our living room. Let me turn on the light.
We want to put drapes just to fill the emptiness of the wall.
Brianna wants drapes.
And then we also need something for this wall because everything's very bare right now.
I'm gonna paint something for it. This is my room.
Like there I am in the mirror.
There's Brianna in the mirror. She's always standing right outside my room. It's honestly super messy because I haven't done anything yet, but I set up my desk so I can start filming again, which I haven't done in a while. And this is where I'm gonna be like filming my little area. And that's also a mess. Everything's honestly a mess right now. But yeah, do you wanna show them your room?
Yeah, we can show them my room.
Her room's already unpacked.
I'm already organized. I'm like Kelly. Oh.
This is Brianna's
MTV,
room.
This is my crib.
You want to tell me some deets? Should I do like any crazy zooms? Oh my
these are my
god, you have like everything all set up?
Yeah, I have candles in my pictures and then some extra change.
Oh, thank goodness, we need that.
My
Look at
TV.
this monster TV.
And the TV box is taking up half of our dining room.
Yeah, that is our dining table actually. This giant 55-inch screen.
The best
Oh,
part.
sorry. How could I
The
forget?
best part. My closet. It's still cluttered.
Your closet
All
is
that-
so much bigger than
I have
mine.
like 10 crates that I still have to go through.
Can you
18
maybe
months.
be not blurry in this? You wanna come over and like be a human for a sec? Oh,
Okay, we're still not settled,
we're still not settled.
and the next 18 months are gonna be crazy.
They're gonna be fun. I make her food. I make her delicious
She does
food.
make me food and lunch.
And-
Well, breakfast. Oh wait, we gotta show them the view.
Okay, what's the view of?
This is why we pay all the money for the apartment.
So
Look
we can
at that
have
view.
this view. Wow.
And fun fact, we don't even park in there.
No, we don't get to park in there. Give this video a thumbs up if you like me. And also, if you want to see Brianna in another video.
Comment.
And that's it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Wait, you want to do my bye thing? I go like this at the end of every video.
How like this?
Bye.
Isn't that how you said it? In like another language?
Oh my god.